Welcome to this short video on how to deploy a program on Solana. Solana is a fast and efficient blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications. In this video, we will be showing you step-by-step how to deploy your program on the Solana blockchain. Let's get started with the Hello World program from Solana team. The Hello World program is a smart contract that prints output to the console and counts the number of times the program has been called for a given account, storing the number on chain. Let's break down the code into separate sections. The first section defines some standard Solana program parameters and defines an entry point for the program, the process_instruction function. In addition to this, it uses Borsch for serializing and deserializing parameters being passed to and from the deployed program. The process_instruction function accepts the program_id, which is the public key where the program is deployed to, and account info, which is the account to say hello to. The program result is where the main logic of the program resides. In this case, it simply prints a message, then selects the accounts by looping through accounts. However, in our example there will only be one account. Next, the program checks to see if the account has permission to modify the data for the specified account. Finally, the function takes the existing account stored number, increases the value by 1, writes the result back, and displays a message. You're now ready to build the Hello World program. You can build it by running the following command. Once the program has been built, you can then deploy it to Devnet. The previous command's output will give you the command that you need to run, but it should look something similar to the following. The end result is that you have successfully deployed the Hello World program to Devnet with an assigned program ID. This can then be checked on the Solana Devnet Explorer. To interact with the deployed program, the Hello World repository contains a simple client. This client is written in TypeScript using the Solana Web3.js SDK and the Solana RPC API. The client entry point is the main.ts file, which performs a number of tasks in a specific order, most of which are contained within the hello_world.ts file. First, the client establishes a connection with the cluster by calling the establishConnection function. It then calls the establishPair function to ensure there is an account available to pay for transactions, and creates one if required. The client then calls the checkProgram function, which loads the key pair of the deployed program from /dis/program/helloworld keypair.json and uses the public key for the key pair to fetch the program account. If the program does exist, it will create a new account with the program assigned as its owner to store the program state, which in this case is the number of times the program has been executed. The client then builds up and sends a hello transaction to the program by calling the sayHello function. The transaction contains an instruction that holds the public key of the Hello World program account to call, and the account to which the client wishes to say hello to. Each time the client performs this transaction to an account, the program increments account in the destination account's data storage. Finally, the client queries the account's data to retrieve the current number of times the account has had the say hello transaction called, by calling report greetings. Before you can run the client to read data from your deployed program, you need to install the client dependencies. Once this is done, you can start the client. You should see output showing your program successfully being executed, and it should display the number of times the account has been greeted. Subsequent runs should increase this number. Congratulations, you've deployed and interacted with a Solana smart contract on the Devnet network. And here is our result on Solana Explorer. Thank you for watching this video on how to deploy a program on Solana.